Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Marvel Studios intro. First, gather high-resolution images of your favorite Marvel characters and the iconic Marvel Studios logo. You will need robust video editing software, such as Adobe After Effects or DaVinci Resolve, to bring your vision to life. Understanding the key elements of the original intro will guide your creative process. We'll break down each step to help you craft a dynamic and professional-looking sequence. Next, focus on assembling your visuals. Arrange your chosen character images into a dynamic, overlapping collage, creating a sense of depth and movement. Animate these images to fly in and out rapidly, mimicking the original intro's energetic pace. Integrate the Marvel Studios logo, giving it a metallic, reflective texture to enhance its visual impact. Precision in timing is crucial for a seamless flow. Now, let's craft the soundscape, which is vital for an authentic Marvel feel. Select a powerful, orchestral score that builds dramatic tension and excitement. Add distinct whoosh and transition sound effects, perfectly synchronized with your visual animations. These audio cues enhance the impact of every flying image and logo reveal. A well-designed sound mix elevates the entire experience significantly. Finally, it's time for polishing and exporting your masterpiece. Adjust the timing and pacing of all elements to ensure a seamless and impactful sequence. Apply color grading to achieve that signature cinematic, vibrant look, enhancing the overall visual appeal. When satisfied, export your final video in a high-quality format, such as MP4, at a resolution of 1080 pixels for optimal viewing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.